What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. So today I decided we would make a Monte Carlo cocktail. The Monte Carlo is a really simple old-fashioned variation. It was first published by David A. Embury in his Fine Art of Mixing Drinks from 1948. And that's all I got for you on it. It's a really awesome, wonderful variation on old-fashioned, and it's kind of akin to a Vieux Carré, and it's kind of akin to the Cock and Bull Special in its flavor profile, so I thought you guys would like to give it a try. First thing we're going to do is add bitters. I put 6 dashes of bitters in there, but if you're using an Ango bottle, put 3. Then we're going to do ½ an ounce of Benedictine. That's going to be your sugaring element. And then 2 ounces of rye whiskey. And that's it. That is the thrust of it. You've got the Benedictine, which is providing your sugar, and you've got the rye whiskey, which is going to balance it out and be kind of a spicier, less sweet version of American whiskey. And we're just going to stir that until it's properly chilled the cocktail. Now, if you're using really high quality ice, it's going to take a little bit to stir it. There you go. That's about sufficiently chilled. Let me just take our lemon peel. Just do like a nice lemon twist. Zest it. There you got it. That's your Monte Carlo. And no, I did not ignore the fly. I'm very aware that our Barfly mascot is back, even though I thought we were done with these Barfly mascots after we left the last location that we were shooting at, but I guess not. Let's taste this cocktail and see how it is. Lemon right on the nose. And you know what, dude? I gotta tell you guys, if you've never had like lemon zest on rye whiskey, it is amazingly good. So Benedictine is going to be sort of orangey and cinnamony in its flavor profile. And that really balances well with rye whiskey. And then of course you have lemon as a sharper flavor, so it's adding that like sharper kind of citrus twist to it. If you had done this cocktail with orange, I think you'd be hit over the head with orange, but you know, that lemon really provides that nice sharpness to the citrus content. And this is a great cocktail for the holiday because you've got that nice sort of spiced flavor profile on it. So there you got it, guys. The Monte Carlo.